Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking which Kinect version you have, because the Xbox One and Xbox 360 use different cables and adapters. Once you confirm the model, position the sensor centered on the TV about 6 feet high and ensure a roughly 3-foot clear zone in front. Power the console off, then plug the Kinect's USB into the console and attach any required power or adapter. Once the physical connections are secure, power on the console so the system can detect new hardware. You'll proceed through the Xbox on-screen setup prompts, sign in, and accept any permissions so the Kinect can use voice and camera features. Next, run the room calibration routine so the sensor maps your play area. Follow voice and visual cues to step back, wave, or stand where instructed. Make small angle adjustments and set speaker/peak volume if prompted. Once calibration completes, test basic voice commands and skeletal tracking to confirm hands, head, and body movements register reliably. You finish by installing any Kinect firmware or console updates and then restart the system to apply changes. Make sure you test an actual Kinect-enabled app or game to verify sign-in, voice control, and motion tracking with multiple users if needed. If something fails, try a simple troubleshooting step. Power cycle the console and sensor, reseat all cables, and try another USB port or the official adapter. If tracking still fails, move furniture or lighting that may interfere and rerun calibration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.